Hi everybody, welcome to this episode of the Health Channel. Today I want to talk about a vegetable that incredibly beneficial for the body, so don't miss this video. Spinach is a leafy green flowering plant native to Central and Western Asia. It is of the order Caryophyllales in the family Amarthaceae. Its leaves are a common vegetable consumed either fresh, cooked, or after storage, using preservation techniques like canning, freezing, or dehydration. The taste differs considerably between cooked and raw. The high oxalate content may be reduced by steaming. It is an annual plant, rarely biennial, growing as tall as 30 cm. Spinach may overwinter in temperate regions. The leaves are alternate, simple ovate to triangular, and very variable in size, 2 to 30 cm or 1 to 12 inches long, and 1 to 15 cm broad, with larger leaves at the base of the plant and small leaves higher on the flowering stem. The flowers are inconspicuous yellow-green, 3 to 4 mm in diameter, and measure into a small, hard, dry, lumpy fruit, cluster 5 to 10 mm across, containing several seeds. In 2022, world production of spinach was 33 million tons, with China alone accounting for 93% of the total. As opposed to most flowering plants used as vegetables, spinach is a deciduous plant, meaning different plants can have either female or male flowers. The flowers are small, green, and wind-pollinated. Raw spinach is 91% water, 4% carbohydrates, 3% protein, and contains negligible fat in a 100-gram reference serving, providing 97 kilojoules or 23 kilocalories of food energy. Spinach has a high nutritional value, especially when fresh, frozen, steamed, or quickly boiled. It is a rich source of vitamin A, vitamin C, manganese, and folate, with an especially high content of vitamin K. Spinach is a moderate source of the B vitamins, riboflavin, and vitamin E, potassium, iron, magnesium, and dietary fiber. Although spinach contains moderate amounts of iron and calcium, it also contains oxalates, which may inhibit absorption of calcium and iron in the stomach and small intestine. Cooked spinach has lower levels of oxalates, and its nutrients may be absorbed more completely. Spinach is eaten raw, in salads, and cooked in soups, curries, or casseroles. Dishes with spinach as a main ingredient include spinach salad, spinach soup, spinach dip, and etc. Let's continue with some of the benefits of spinach. Number 1. Regulates sleep and helps treat insomnia. Due to its high vitamin count, spinach is also beneficial for regulating sleep. Of course, spinach also contains vitamin B6 and magnesium. B6 helps us produce serotonin, an hormone that relaxes us and helps regulate sleep and wake cycles. Number 2. Good for digestion and helps treat constipation. By flushing out toxins, spinach aids digestion. Green vegetables, especially spinach, aid in digestion and are the pillars of any detoxification. Since spinach is high in fiber, it is beneficial for helping with bowel regularity. If you suffer from constipation, spinach can be your solution. Raw spinach has the best organic ingredients to cleanse, regenerate, and revitalize the intestinal tract. At the last part of this video, I must say spinach is almost harmless to the body, but in some cases it may be harmful. Delay in the absorption of minerals in the body. Spinach is rich in nutrients and therefore is good for our health. However, excessive consumption of it interfere with the ability to absorb some nutrients such as calcium, magnesium, zinc, and etc. The oxalate present in spinach causes this side effect, sensitivity and allergy. Spinach contains amounts of histamine and immunoglobulin. These compounds cause allergic reactions in some people. Interactions with blood thinners. Spinach is a rich source of vitamin K. This property of spinach may cause complications for people taking blood thinners such as warfarin. Be sure to consult with a doctor and nutritionist before use to ensure maximum benefit. At the end of this video, thank you for being with me. For more information about other fruits and vegetables, follow other videos of this channel. If this information was useful for you, please subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions about spinach, ask in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. Our wish is your health. Have a nice day.